Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. Today the plan is to go on a day tour to Cameron Highlands. These are kind of hilly regions known for tea plantations. So we are not doing a planned tour, but we are doing it on our own. So we are taking a train to Ipoh, then we'll take a bus to Cameron Islands, and then in return we'll take a bus directly from Cameron Islands to Kuala Lumpur. First, let's go and figure out where our ETS trains, ETS are electric trains, go from. Actually, ETS trains, where do they go? ETS Intercity? Down, okay. Thank you.
Terminal Aman Jaya.
Aman Jaya. Bus terminal.
Okay.
We just arrived at the Aman Jaya terminal of Ipoh. This is where all the buses would go from, and this is where we'll take our bus to Cameron Highlands further. It was about a 15 minutes ride to here, to this place from the place where the train dropped us in Ipoh.
How many percent?
1.
2 ringgit.
Thank you so much. Ipoh is the capital of Malaysian state of Perak. It is about 200 kilometers north of Kuala Lumpur, and a number of attractions are around this, so that gives it an important place. But the first views were definitely nice and the city looked pretty good overall. Let's move on to our next destination, Cameron Highlands. Yes.
5318.
Selvam.
Selvam, yeah.
Yeah. Just give me 5 minutes.
Because that is, if you want Cameron Valley, it's very nice.
So whichever is good, I want to. I don't want Bow particular. Whichever is good, I'm okay.
Okay.
So we can go to Cameron Valley if that is good.
You're from India.
India, yeah.
Which part of India?
Delhi.
Oh, Delhi.
First stop for the day is this Cameron Highlands tea plantation. Apparently one of the bigger ones out here. The other one is Bow, which also has a lot of history. But we are doing this. So here at Cameron Valley Tea Plantation, you have two options. One, you can walk through the tea plantations on foot, but there is a steep set of stairs that you need to get down to. The alternate is there is a buggy ride that they have arranged, which takes you through the entire farm, and there apparently is a waterfall at the end of it. So they charge about 15 ringgits if you want to take the buggy. If you don't want to take the buggy, it's still 4 ringgit, so you can choose one. Buggy ride, they cover the entire tea gardens and also take you to a waterfall apparently at the end of it. So right now we are at Sampa temple, which is a major Buddhist temple out here in Cameron Islands. It's a revered place for Buddhists, so we thought we'll just pay a quick visit and pay our respects. Opening times are 8 to 5. It's a Buddhist place of worship. It's very calm, very peaceful, very serene. It gives you that inner peace where you want to just sit down, have some time with yourself, devote towards the God, the Almighty, which has provided so much to us. So we are now in Tanah Rata area. We've done with our excursions. Generally, we like to spend some time in every city we visit, just roaming around the town, trying to get the feel, understanding the vibe of the town. We'll spend some time going through some of the shops, talking to some of the people, and understanding the city a bit more. So this is the main arcade area of Tanah Rata town. There are a number of shops and cafes out here which cater to varied tastes. So it's a good place if you want to have a quick lunch or catch up a meal before you head back. pushing off from Tanarata bus terminal here in Cameron Highlands.